Welcome back to Make That House a Home Mondays. And I'm so excited that you have tuned into my channel. I'm Amina. If you have not subscribed already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you see this on IG, please like, comment, and follow. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys have been following my series, then you know we've been working in my guest bedroom. And so now we're basically done, or done for now. You never can add too much artwork or little pieces to jazz up a room. But for now we're done because I have a tenant and we have other things to do in the house, like the basement, my master bedroom, the living room, bar carts, all that good jazz that we have to do. So we're gonna leave the guest room for now. While we're leaving the guest room, I wanted to do a walk down memory lane to show you guys where we started from and where we are now, along with styling and prepping the room for my new short-term tenant. So let's go down memory lane and then I'm gonna show you how I prepped the room. You think I ever put a bed together before? No. I don't know if I did this correctly. Okay guys, so the first layer is down. Ooh, who is she? She's a green door, yes. This is me letting it dry for about 2 hours. Thanks, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, I love you guys from the bottom to the top.